Local news for Monday the 28th of January. Police have concerns for the welfare of 37-year-old Karata man Daniel Phillips, who was last seen at his home nearly a week ago. Daniel is European, 184 centimetres tall with dark hair and eyes and a medium build. Kids will be heading back to school across Wairarapa this week, and motorists are being advised to watch out for enthusiastic children heading to and from school. Congestion and poor parking are a common bugbear for not only schools but the wider community, and a reminder that wearing a safety helmet is compulsory. Overnight closures are set to take place on the Rimitaka Hill not next month, March. The New Zealand Transport Agency is giving early notice of a series of full-time night closures on State Highway 2, the Rimitaka Hill, to be carried out between 9 and 5 for 5 consecutive nights, beginning on Sunday the 3rd of March and again on Sunday the 24th of March. And the Wairarapa men's cricket team have been beaten by Hawke's Bay in the Furlong Cup, with Hawke's Bay winning on first innings.